This is a hen. This is a hen.
These are chicks. These are chicks.
This is a duck. This is a duck.
These are ducklings. These are ducklings. This is a sheep. This is a sheep. This is a sheep. These are lambs. These are lambs.
This is a cow. This is a cow. This is a cow.
These are calves. These are calves. These are calves. This is a pig. This is a pig. This is a pig. These are piglets. These are piglets. This is a horse. This is a horse. These are foals. These are foals. This is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. These are baby rabbits. They are so small. These are baby rabbits. This is a goat. This is a goat. These are goats. These are goats. This is a rooster. This is a rooster. These are hens. These are hens. This is a farm dog. This is a farm dog. These are puppies. These are puppies. This is a farm cat. This is a farm cat. These are kittens. These are kittens. This is a goose. This is a goose. These are goslings. This is a turkey. This is a turkey. This is a turkey. These are turkeys. This is a donkey. This is a donkey. These are donkeys. These are donkeys. This is a farmer. This is a farmer. These are farm animals. These are farm animals. Learn English with Thai. Learn English with Thai.